Hi, this is Jeff from Factory Motors. Today we're just going to be showing you a quick repair we're doing on a Model S. Basically, customers asked for AC service. So what it looks like is basically pulling out the refrigerant, replacing the AC desiccate, and recharging the AC system, and just making sure everything's working good. Yeah, we'll be performing thermal test, inspecting to make sure it's cooling enough as well. Not too bad. Seen worse. Quick vacuum test and leak check. Down to about 6 degrees. It's pretty good. Run a thermal test, make sure everything else is working good in the thermal system, and we're all good here. So that's the AC service in a nutshell, and thermal check. Ready for summer.